Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please give me your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please subscribe to this channel. Share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, at the end of this video, I'm going to have an update, just in case you missed it on this morning's video, about the $1,000 giveaway that I'm going to have later. Okay, New York has decided to take the $300 unemployment boost that President Trump has passed on his executive order. Originally, Governor Cuomo said he would not let New York participate because Trump's executive orders is illegal. Now think about this. Now if he truly feels this way, why is he now saying yes to it? And he's going to let New York do it. So if it's not legal, that makes Governor Cuomo part of an illegal activity. Or could it be that he needs to help the people in New York so he can get reelected? It's just something to think about. If it's illegal, why is he doing it? Is he just another corrupt politician? I think they all are. Okay, y'all, update on the $1,000 giveaway, just in case you missed it on this morning's video. I want to let you know here how we're going to pull this off. Y'all, I've never done a giveaway before. I'm going to be honest with you. So this is trial and error for me. I asked for y'all's input on how we could do it. I got a lot of suggestions, and I'm using some of those suggestions here. Okay, when we reach 100,000 subscribers, we are at 70,000 subscribers right now. I will be giving away $1,000. I will pick one person each day for 10 days to get $100. I will only be picking from the comment section of that morning's video. And you must be a subscriber to be in the contest. I don't have a name picker. I wouldn't know how to use it if I had it. So we're going to go old school on this, put the names in a hat. So y'all just have to trust me on this. You can only win one time, and you have to comment every day for the 10 days. All you have to say in the comment is contest. You will be added to the list for that day's giveaway. I want to wish all of you good luck right now. The contest will start the day we hit 100,000 subscribers. Remember, we're at 70,000 now. So it won't be that long away. I'm hoping it's going to be by September the 14th on my birthday. That might be pushing it a little bit hard, but that's what I'm hoping for. Y'all, good luck. I hope you win. And just know, I love you all. Until the next time, ciao.